Woohoo! Today we are having 2 closings and I'm very happy about it. However, you might be asking me, why am I sitting in my office instead of being at the closing table with my clients? Well, the answer is very simple. In case of sellers, and yes, in both of these cases we represent sellers. One is a big commercial property, big restaurant, and then another one is a single family home. Sellers usually sign all the paperwork a few days before the buyer signs. So actually, you could say that there are 2 separate closings in New Jersey. The seller signs first. So my clients already went to sign the paperwork, actually even more than a week ago, because they knew they would be traveling right now when the closing is happening. So they signed the paperwork more than a week ago, and they went away. And then that paperwork is being sent to the title company or the attorney's office. It's being looked over, and then the buyers come to the closing on the scheduled day. So today was the final walkthrough. The buyers did the walkthrough, they went to the closing, and it's happening right now. So I'm not with my clients because technically they already signed the paperwork, they had their own closing. But of course the transaction is not done until it is executed by both parties, meaning buyers and sellers. Same story with the commercial property. Our client, the seller, signed all the paperwork 2 weeks ago. So today the only thing left is for the buyer to do the final walkthrough and then go to the closing table, which means afterwards I have to go pick up my signs and the banner on the building, and we are done. And before you eat me alive by saying that I should be with my clients and my fiduciary duty is towards my sellers. So the final walkthrough is happening always in the presence, it should at least happen always in the presence of the buyer's agent with the buyers. And since the seller is not there, I don't have to be there. They are already away, and just like I said, it's in the best interest of their clients for the buyer's agent to be there with their buyers doing the final walkthrough. So that's how it's happening in 99% cases.